latest Facebook marketing do's and don'ts. Do's. Stick to a posting schedule. Sticking to a posting schedule gives you complete control of your content strategy, of the time you invest in your Facebook marketing efforts, and to stay consistent without losing track of your other marketing activities. Use visuals. Create posts that disrupt the newsfeed experience in a positive way by always adding attention-grabbing images such as infographics, videos, and link previews in your posts. Ask questions to your audience. Let your fans and would-be customers to take control of the conversation by asking them thoughtful questions about the problems they're facing so you can learn of better ways to help them solve them. Boost your most successful posts. You can squeeze out more engagement and results from your most successful posts simply by promoting them sometime after you publish them, and you can do it easily, simply, by clicking on the Boost button. Stick to your goals. Make sure that your Facebook marketing activities is congruent with your current goals. If your current goal is to reach more people, then publish more discoverable posts and boost them, and so on. Integrate shopping in your page. You can integrate shopping features in your Facebook page after you create awareness about your products to increase direct sales and drive more profitable goals. E-commerce solutions can help you to do this at a very affordable cost. Split test your posts and ads. It is a good idea to test 2 or more variations of the same ad or post directed at different segments of the same audience. This will help you learn how to optimize your posts and ads with the type of content that your audience likes the most. Create a voice for your brand. Develop a unique voice for your brand. This can be in the form of the type of visuals you post or the way you compose your posts. In short, develop a way for your audience to recognize your brand anywhere. Leverage your page's real estate. You can use the space provided by your cover photo as a billboard to promote stuff such as new products, promotions, and sign-up forms. Use insights and track your results. You can use tools such as the Facebook Insights dashboard to learn about how your posts, campaigns, and ads are performing. By analyzing the engagement and reaction to your posts and ads, you'll be better equipped to create better content. Don'ts. Don't use a dummy personality. A big, important part of online marketing is being authentic. If you're tempted to use a dummy profile to protect your privacy, be aware that customers won't be able to trust your brand if you don't show them your face. So make sure that you present yourself as the person behind the brand. Don't overpost. Avoid posting beyond the recommended frequency. While you can get away with an additional post when you need to make an announcement or participate in a trending topic, posting too many times can put your audience off quickly. Don't argue with unsatisfied customers. Don't reply with an angry comment to a rude customer, or when someone leaves you a low-score review. Simply reply in a professional manner and try and help fix their problem. Don't be slow to respond or engage. Facebook users expect a quick response to their comments and to the messages they send to your pages. Because of this, keep your notifications on and try to reply within the first hour. Don't go over budget. You won't get better results simply by putting more money into your ad campaigns. Instead of going over budget, simply set up your campaigns correctly, optimize your ads, and wait for the engagement to build. Don't target too broadly. If you're tempted to target a broad audience in hopes of interacting with a large number of people, don't. The larger the audience, the more people that will end up ignoring your ads. Simply target the people interested in what you have to offer, and you'll do great. Don't overpromote. While the ultimate goal of your business is to make a profit, you can't focus your marketing campaigns on driving sales or promoting your products. Instead, feed your audience with content that helps them solve their problems, and they'll become customers. Don't create an incomplete page for your business. You have to make sure to add all the necessary information to your pages, including a description, your contact info, and your URLs. Don't spam. Don't use Facebook pages or brand identity to go around sharing links on public groups, pages, and messenger inboxes. Don't ignore the Facebook terms and conditions. Ignoring Facebook terms of use is an easy way to violate a rule and get your account suspended without knowing why. So make sure to read it all before you run a marketing campaign and before you create an ad.